we've got some sad news. Really sad. Really sad news for you. Well, Shindaru's channel is, well, isn't gonna, isn't gonna make well, less videos than normal. Because she's making a new one and we're all gonna be starring in it. Yeah, except for one of her little sisters gone camping with her school friends. So yeah, and well, it's gonna be. We thinking of calling it um our life. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. What do you think we should call it? Comment down below. Make sure you do. Yeah. So just comment down below. Thanks. Well, we'll see you next time. Maybe. Anyway, let me just check it out. Please comment down below and subscribe. Yeah, if you could please just, like for us, that'd be great. Yeah. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.